Hey everyone, Sherry Lou here. Today I'm giving you a quick 2-minute review of the SteelSeries Apex 100 keyboard, which I picked up in late 2023. Let's dive right in. The Apex 100 is a budget-friendly gaming keyboard that looks sleek with its blue LED lighting. It's splash resistant, which is a nice touch if you're like me and keep a drink nearby. The build feels solid for the price, though it's definitely not as premium as mechanical boards. This keyboard uses quick tension membrane switches designed to mimic mechanical responsiveness. They give decent tactile feedback and are responsive enough for casual gaming. Plus, it has anti-ghosting support, so multiple key presses register correctly. For everyday typing and light gaming, it does the job well. Some pros to the keyboard are affordable entry-level option, blue LED lighting adds style, splash resistant and durable, rated for 20 million key presses, comfortable for long typing sessions. Some cons are not mechanical, so you miss that satisfying click. LED lighting doesn't shine through the keycaps, making it harder to see in the dark. Keycaps may wear down faster than higher end models. Louder than expected for a membrane keyboard. If you're on a budget and want a reliable keyboard for school, work, or casual gaming, the Apex 100 is a solid pick. But if you're choosing that true mechanical feel or want a customizable RGB lighting, you'll want to invest in a higher end model. For me, it has been a dependable daily driver since late 2023. So that's my quick review of the SteelSeries Apex 100. If you've used it, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.